Introducing the Omron High-Output Compressor Nebulizer NE-C900, a state-of-the-art medical device designed for efficient and effective respiratory therapy. This high-output nebulizer is engineered to deliver medication deep into the lungs, ensuring optimal treatment for patients with respiratory conditions. One of its standout features is its ability to operate continuously for up to 72 hours, making it ideal for both clinical and home settings. The NE-C900 is easy to set up and use, providing reliable performance for healthcare professionals and patients alike. Whether you're managing chronic conditions or acute respiratory issues, this nebulizer offers a dependable solution. Experience the difference with Omron's advanced technology designed to improve patient outcomes and enhance quality of life. It is ideal for large-scale setups such as clinics and hospitals. These environments require reliable and efficient equipment to ensure the best patient care. From managing respiratory conditions to providing essential treatments, having the right tools is crucial. Clinics and hospitals benefit greatly from advanced technology that supports both patients and healthcare professionals. This ensures smooth operations and enhances the overall quality of healthcare services provided. The device ensures utmost hygiene, convenient usage, and is pretty simple to disinfect. It is designed with the user in mind, making it easy to clean and maintain. The materials used are of high quality, ensuring that the device remains sterile and safe for repeated use. Whether you are a healthcare professional or a patient, the straightforward design allows for quick and efficient cleaning, reducing the risk of contamination, and ensuring that the device is always ready for use. The construction of nebulizer ensures that even a small particle with size of 3 micrometers are releasing for effective nebulization. The efficiency rate is 0.4 milliliters per minute,